Hi, this is Tita Nick, and today we're going to cover a few important points about the wireless video bridge and C41w, or wireless Genie Mini. There are three key things to remember when installing a wireless system in a customer's home. First, it's important that you follow the installation steps. The wireless video bridge and C41w need to be connected in a certain order to make sure everything works correctly. Patience is key. Failure to follow the steps can mean a lot of wasted time and effort. Second, the placement of the devices can have a huge impact on wireless signal strength of both the WVB and C41w. You likely have options for the location of the wireless video bridge, while the location of the C41w may be predetermined by the location of the customer's televisions. For this reason, it's very important you determine the best location for the wireless video bridge during your site survey, which may include running new DirecTV-approved RG6 cable to the best location for the wireless video bridge. And third, after you complete the installation of the equipment, customer education is an important part of the job. Some customers may want to move their wireless client to a different location. So spending a few minutes explaining how the LEDs and wireless technology work can help you to exceed expectations with the customer and create a wow moment.
Pretty cool, huh?
Wow.
Now that we've taken a look at these three key reminders, let's get started with the first part, the installation steps. Placement is crucial to make sure that you have optimal signal in the home. When placing the wireless video bridge, it's important to make sure that it's installed vertically. If you are mounting the wireless video bridge, use the included mounting bracket, which will allow you to mount it on the wall vertically. Do not place the device in the back of a closet or cabinet, and make sure that it's not covered up by anything. Building materials in the customer's home can impact the